action. To make hollandaise, you'll need a you'll need the yolk of 4 room temperature eggs. Crack them open if they're room temperature and get the yolks out of them. And you put the yolks in the You will need 150 grams of salted or unsalted butter. You'll need something to microwave that in because you want it boiled. Get a juggy thing, and a lid. If you want to put a lid on it because it'll pop and boil and splatter. You'll need some lemon juice, about a teaspoon or so. So half a lemon will give you heaps, so don't go overboard. You will need some whole grain mustard. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Salt and pepper. And tenacity. Egg yolks into the with a big heaped spoon of mustard, a splash of juice, teaspoon and a half maybe, and then boil, and then put that on, boil the butter with a lid on it, put it in the microwave for like 2.5 minutes or something like that till it's boiled. Like it needs to be really hot. And then crack of salt and pepper in with that as well, decent crack. Then you come back, and as the is running, pour your butter slowly into it, and it should be nice and thick. Fuck yeah. Cat.
Please,